Hi all, how to say hello in different languages. In English, hello. Now we will see hello in Telugu language.
Hello.
Hello. Hello in Telugu language. Hello. Now we will see hello in Hindi language.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hello in Hindi language. Namaste. Now we will see hello in Spanish language.
Hola.
Hola. Hello in Spanish language. Hola. Now we will see hello in French language.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Hello in French language. Bonjour. Now we will see hello in German language.
Hello.
Hello. Hello in German language. Hello. Now we will see hello in Italian.
Ciao.
Ciao. Hello in Italian. Ciao. Now we will see hello in Portuguese.
Olá.
Hola. Hello in Portuguese. Hola. Now we will see hello in Chinese language.
你好.
Ni hao. Hello in Chinese language. Ni hao. Now we will see hello in Arabic language.
مرحبا.
Marhaban. Hello in Arabic language. Marhaban. Now we will see hello in Russian.
Привет.
Привет. Hello in Russian. Привет. Now we will see hello in Japanese language.
こんにちは.
Konnichiwa. Hello in Japanese language. Konnichiwa. Now we will see hello in Korean language.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Hello in Korean language. 안녕하세요. Now we will see hello in Tamil language.
வணக்கம்.
Vanakkam. Hello in Tamil language. Vanakkam. Now we will see hello in Urdu.
Hello.
Hello. Hello in Urdu. Hello. Now we will see hello in Gujarati.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hello in Gujarati. Namaste. Now we will see hello in Filipino.
Kamusta?
Kamusta. Hello in Filipino. Kamusta. Now we will see hello in Nepali.
Namaskar.
Namaskar. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.